This is one of my favorite snack after spring roll, okay? Yes, and trust me, it tastes so good. If you haven't tried fried pie yet, then this is the chance, or this is the time for you to try this. This was absolutely delicious and very easy to put together. In today's video, that is what is on our bill of fare. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's video. You can use any fish for this recipe, okay? So if you don't want to buy the store one, you can just cook your fish, season it very well. After that, you debone it, and then you are good to go. Use any fish of your choice. After that, I added some pepper. I'll just go ahead and then give it a stir, and then we can continue. Use any herbs or anything of your choice, okay? The seasoning I just added is my garlic salt, so use any seasoning of your choice. We are not going to add anything salt apart from the garlic salt to this, because the fish already tastes good. You don't have to do much or like overcook it or do a lot for it to taste good. It tastes good already, okay? Even you can just prepare it without cooking it. It is so good already. I added my curry powder, and after the curry powder, I've added my onions, and just look at that. It looks so delicious. You can as well stay away from the onions, and it is so okay. Usually when I'm preparing this for my husband, I don't add the onions to it. Even if I will add onions, maybe just a little of it, because he doesn't like it, okay? He doesn't want to see onions in his filling, okay? Yes. Now I have my all-purpose flour here. You can use soft flour as well. I am just going to add some salt, a pinch of salt to it, mix it very well, and then we are good to go. Now, after mixing it, I am just going to ensure that we introduce some fat in there, okay? You can use margarine, you can use butter if that is what you want, okay? But I am going to use butter for this recipe. So we are going to use about a tablespoon or two, okay, and mix it very well. Do not add a lot of butter to it, like how you prepare your baked meat pie or fish pie. If you do that, you are going to end up with bad results. They are going to melt in the oil, okay? Since we are going to fry, we don't need much fat in there. Now I'll go ahead and then continue with the mixing, and then we are good to go. Just make sure the butter is not too much, okay? Yes. So now this is the outcome we have. So perfect. I'll go ahead and then add my water to it, and then mix it very well. It will not be necessary if you add milk, okay? Don't worry yourself. There are some recipes we don't do too much, okay? Yes, we don't do too much because we are creative. It will not be necessary. Just add water to it. Don't go and add condensed milk or evaporated. It's not necessary. And then mix it to achieve that perfect dough you are looking for. When adding the liquid to it, you can add it to it bit by bit so that you can get that perfect outcome, okay? Don't add it to it straight away like that, so that it will become soft, and at the end of the day you don't have any flour. If it is hard, ask for water. Everyone has some at home. You can just go ahead and then add to it. And again, do not worry yourself to go and add evaporated milk. If you have used evaporated milk before, I am not judging you, okay? I'm just saying my tin keke, okay? I went ahead to add a bit of flour. You see what I said earlier, because mine was a bit soft. I am lucky I have enough flour, but maybe you may not have enough flour. Now I am just going to knead the dough small, not knead, but make sure I mix it very well. I should have added some nutmeg for the flavor, to be honest with you. I forgot, so adding it at this stage was it wasn't that easy, okay, to mix it very well. Please add it to your dry ingredients before you add the liquids. I hope you get it. There'll be no necessary to add eggs and other things as well to make it rich or whatever. As I said earlier, there are some recipes you don't have to overdo, okay? Yes, it tastes good just like this. But if you care to add all those things, that is up to you. Yes, you are creative. That is just by the way. So I use my rolling pin to roll the dough, and now I'm cutting them into the sizes that I want. If you want it big, you are good to go. If you want it small, you are good to go. I don't actually use cutter to cut my dough, okay, like how almost everyone. I have not seen anyone cutting it like this though. Maybe people also do it. But if you want to do it this way, you are good to go. If you want to use your cutter to cut it just like how we cut it when we are preparing the baked one, you are good to go. Just do it any way you do. Anyhow that you feel okay, do it and you are good to go. Now I'll repeat the same process again, and before this process I allowed the filling to cool down before doing it. Before you come for me that I should wear gloves, my hands are clean. I have clean nails and I don't have any issue with my hand, okay? I will just go ahead and then start dropping the pie, and then the filling is not too much because that is how those of us who are going to enjoy it, we want. Okay, this is how we want it. So if you want it plenty, you can just go ahead and then add it plenty. Now I'll go ahead and then drop all of them, and then we proceed. Most people who buy this, about 99.9% of the people, you see this one, it was not well sealed, and it is likely will open in the oil, okay, and it will make your oil messy. Yes, so that is why I left that one, the one that is just here. I just start so that it will not open, and I will keep an eye on it. When you are frying it, you flip it to the other side and then you make sure it is well fried. Yes, as I was saying earlier, about 99% of the people who buy meat pie or fried pie from me, they don't like the filling too much. You have to listen to your customers, but sometimes you don't have to listen to them too much. They will collapse your business. Some of them, I used to make it too much because one or two people want the filling too much, and a lot of people were saying when they eat it, the filling makes their mouth some way. Yes, so nowadays I do it the way you want, so that my business will move on perfectly for me. Just look at how crispy it looks, very delicious, and this, oh my goodness, was awesome. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.